You probably visit tens of websites every day. You turn on your device, open your browser, and type google.com into the address bar. Following that, you'll visit other websites based on your Google search, all in the pursuit of information, data visualizations, and so on. Anyway, I'm just giving you examples so you can see how every time you access a page, you might potentially generate cash streams totaling $4,000. It's unbelievable, isn't it? That number is not a joke. In today's video, I'll show you how to get there quickly. By the end of this video, you'll be productive and well on your way to financial independence. So, stay tuned until the very end to learn the hidden technique. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Let's dive right into the first website, which is called Upvoice. It's actually not much of a website, but more of an extension to put onto your Google Chrome browser. That's right, you must use Google Chrome to make this method work. Anyway, let's get to know the website before we get to the sign up and download process. So once we're on their information website, right here you can find Upvoice, where you can start earning gift cards just by visiting social media platforms on your computer. If you're an avid user of social media, or maybe you call yourself a social media addict, then this is definitely up your alley. But honestly, in this day and age, I think everyone is an active user of social media anyway, so this strategy will all work flawlessly in everyone's favor. So how does this work? Well, as you can see right here, everything can be performed in just 3 easy steps. Step 1 is to install the Upvoice browser extension after signing up, which we'll go over shortly. The installation is safe, free, and simple to use. Step 2 is to visit their supported social media platforms that you enjoy and follow the instructions that they provide. Step 3 is to nearly earn as you browse through the social media platforms. Upvoice discreetly records ads and provides you with daily points that can be redeemed for gift cards. Now, you're essentially free to explore the website some more and uncover important information that you think will satisfy the knowledge gap yourself. This page contains all of the information that you require, so feel free to scroll and browse through everything. Once you're satisfied, you can now proceed to the sign up process by clicking on the blue button in the middle that says Sign Up. This will take you to this page where you can now officially begin the registration journey. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo, so choose the way that best suits your needs. Once you've signed up, return to the steps and begin with step 1, which is to install the extension to your browser. Once you do this, you now have the ability to generate a stream of income that allows you to make money very easily. And that is to do what you love to do online, which is to visit social media platforms. You can do this while lying down in your bed, waiting in line for groceries, or just randomly scrolling through your favorite apps. Imagine how easily you can generate a passive income stream by doing this. So that's basically it for Upvoice, which means we're now free to move on to the next website for today's video, Brave.com. Now, you should know that Brave is basically a browser similar to Google, but unlike Google, you get fantastic results that are right on the money in line with your search keywords. Brave is exactly the same in some areas. It provides the same level of efficiency, simple navigation, and quick results that are extremely relevant to what you're looking for. What distinguishes Brave is one simple word: money. With Brave, you can actually earn money by browsing and supporting your favorite content creators. As I said earlier, all of these websites will be to your benefit, which means that you are the center of the world and that the websites all work in your favor. Brave works perfectly on all devices that you own, and even more awesome is that you can freely use either Android or iOS because they will work just fine on both. Everything is simply a giant chef's kiss since it can be downloaded from both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. With an overall download amount of more than 50 million people, Brave has an average rating of 4.7 stars out of a total of 5, which is insane. Most apps only receive an average of about 3 stars, and with Brave, it is certainly put above the worldwide average. Not only that, but you can see here that there is a variety of extremely excellent feedback and comments. With a reputation as impressive as this app, there's simply no doubt about its entire integrity and legitimacy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. The third and last website for today's video is none other than QMe.com. Right away, you'll see what QMe is all about, since this is where you can give your opinion and shop to get real cash rewards. Take note of this. You will earn real money, not just swag or points. They certainly emphasize this, by the way, and their website is extremely extensive, so you can find out all you need to know right here, right now. Let's have a look around. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see the 3 primary features that QMe has to offer. First, surveys. Businesses want to know your opinion and they want to pay you for it. Second, cashback. Earn cashback on great products and enjoy your wallet being a little bit bigger at the end of the month. Finally, deals. Find deals on the biggest brands around, or just let them show you the ones you like. All of them will stem from this one massive platform known as QMe. Continue scrolling down to find their beyond outstanding response. As they mention right here, there's sort of a huge thing with decent Trustpilot ratings. Trustpilot is a trusted source for determining how successful a website is, so you're in good hands. Next, learn how this whole thing works. QMe will do all of the work for you because you will only need to take a few quick steps to get started. You could simply take surveys while doing your mundane daily activities, complete surveys and earn money on your morning commute, during your downtime while studying, or simply by doing the most random things in your life. All you need is a PayPal account and you can claim your money in no time. With that said, simply return to the top of the website and begin the sign-up process instantly. Fill in your email address and password, and then there's nothing left for you to do except push the sign-up button. Now here's the bummer about QMe. It's currently only available in a few countries around the world, namely the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and France. If you live in one of these countries, you should be fine. If you don't, you'll need to use a VPN to use the service. Now, there are many free VPN providers accessible on the internet, so simply choose what works best for you. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.